Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to remove the radio from Skoda Superb. This is an estate version, 1.8 turbo petrol, 2011. But I can imagine it's gonna apply to any radio that basically have the same design. So yeah, you're gonna need a little plastic tool. So it's quite easy. You just need to pop this one up. Put it right there, just nicely pops out, and just go around and just one more. There you go. You've got little for airbag. Just take this one out. You've got that, and now you will have 4 screws over there. I've already removed 3 of those, so let's remove one more. Nice and fast. Let's remove that, and now it just slides nice out. Obviously you have to undo all the wires at the back, but that's how you do it. So thanks for watching, and see you later.